What's up guys, today we're back with another video. Now today we're going to be looking at how to make a play button. Hopefully this helps you. If it did, make sure that you subscribe. Also like this video, share it with a friend if they're having trouble too, and also make sure to comment down below something that you want to see me do or help you with. And just like Dubster, this video is inspired by him. Thanks for the idea, dude. I'm going to be helping you today, so let's get into it. The first thing that you're going to want to do is go to your stuff, create a new project or add to a project you already have. If you don't already have one, make a play button or any type of title for a button. All you have to do really is just make a circle, square, oval, or some type of shape for the background and put black text on top of it. You can mix up the colors, you can mix up the shapes, it doesn't matter what it is, but as long as it's the sprite, it looks like a title, you like it, it goes with your game, you're just going to put it there. Right now I just have a red play button, and what the first thing of code you want to do is put a when green flag click, go to 0, 0. This means that when you click this green flag, it will go to 0, 0. As you can see, that play button moved a little bit. That's the second bit of code that we can optionally do. If you want to put in some movement like this, where it will go up, back to normal, go up a little bit more, you can just put this code in right there. It's optional. I don't always use it. To quickly interrupt, even if you don't use this code, you have to make another code saying when green flag clicked, and then say set size to 100%. Just always do that and then you can continue. The biggest thing that makes most play buttons stand out, and it's really simple, is you're going to grab a when green flag clicked, you're going to grab an if then else and a forever block, put the forever on the outside and the if then else in the inside. Go to sensing, touching mouse pointer. Then you're going to go up to set size. So you're going to leave this else as 100, and then I'll put 125 to see how big this gets. Obviously you can mess around with it. So if I ever hover over it, the button gets big. So this looks really good. It's super simple to do, and most scratchers and other coders really don't know about this. If you do, you probably have been coding for a while, but this is a super easy and really nice trick that you can learn, and it just makes your game look a lot smoother, plays a lot better. It's just a little thing that spices up your project. So hopefully guys, I helped you in this video. You can pretty much change it to whatever you want. You could put 150, you could put 200 if you want it to be decreased, so this is really big. If you want it to be smaller when you hover over it, you can just put 50% and it will go smaller when you're hovering over it and go bigger once you're not. It's all up to whatever you want to do. I recommend putting it a little bit bigger, but it's up to you guys again. And so yeah guys, that's pretty much it for the video. It was really short, but if this helped you in any way, make sure to subscribe. Tell me down in the comments what I should be doing next, and thank you guys for 100 followers on Scratch. Alright guys, that will be it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.